Well, all right, bud. We are here at the Digital Dreams headquarters once again. Now we're adding LED walls. As long as we hit that stud, because we got, you know what I'm saying, they don't have to be perfect straight. They just have to hit. That's what I need to do, yeah. I need to do this piece and then put the long one here and then put the short piece there. Trying not to drop that. Oh! Perfect. See that? Caught that. Meant to do that, you know what I'm saying? My cat-like reflexes, you know? No big deal. That's what controls the video, and then 5 cables go into there. So we have each stack has a cable, because once it goes in there, it has HDMI in, and then that deciphers and does all the processing for the screen. Getting jiggy with it. Nah. Look at this guy, get me on film already. Yup, wow. Nice. Rocking right up. All right, we got some issues here. All this insulation. This one's not working like that one. That's what I was saying. That one was like a blessing too, because we were able to ride the stud up. Because it's gonna be hard to fish back to here, because this hole is so small. Let me go cut it. You gotta cut it. Go ahead and leave the power right there, but pull the data. Yeah, that's good. Having some small issues that we are able to get past. You know, they're just minor. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Number 1. We taped on, ready to go. Pull that thing up slow. Got it? This fool got it. They really gonna be mad at you now, Devin. Only 2 videos, the only video walls. You're on YouTube, man. The whole world's gonna see it, man.
You do this, you're like the lead LED one.
Don't even say. It's gonna go along that top. And then we're gonna put it in the middle. Teach me how to Dougie. 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 You all right today, John Henry?
You look tired.
John Henry?
Yeah.
I don't think that's his last name.
That's what I call him. John Henry. It's John. It is John.
That's what I call him. John Harvey.
Yeah, I call him John Henry. John Henry. So I think everything's going pretty good right now. We're at a good point. We're getting ready to start putting the LED panels on there. We got everything powered up, all the data, everything mounted yesterday. Yeah, it's looking good, buddy. Yeah, we also have power, communications, data, power, LED. We putting panels up? I like the look of it though. That's just tight.
This little card right here, save this card. If you take all those off, kill the power, unscrew the power, 6 screws, and then take this little card off. It'll keep the programming.
Long day, I'm tired. We've been working 14 hours. We gotta leave. Hours, yeah, we can only leave when we get this done. It's a lie, man. We've been working 16 hours. We almost got this thing done. John Henry's got this camera in my face all day. Can't work like this, man. I gotta go.
I have to rewire a lot of stuff. I stole one part from here, program another piece. We have to put all this away. And we have to put Tony's van back because he didn't park back far enough. We do have content.
Big bad Donald Bromwell.
The end.
The end of panels.
It's so ridiculous.
When you're that close, it's like, whatever. And then you step back and it's like, it's the whole room.
It's been a long day. We got the wall up. Everything looks good. All we gotta do is some trim and straighten out some panels. Everything went well.